Hi, today we will talk about the sum question of case study. Recently CBSE introduced the question based on the case study in class 12 maths. So let's see the sum pattern of the case study. In question number 1, Manjeet wants to donate a rectangular plot of land for a school in his village. When he was asked to give dimension of the plot, he told that if its length is decreased by 50 meters and breadth is increased by 50 meter, then the area will remain same. But if the length is decreased by 10 meter and the breadth is decreased by 20 meter, then the area will decrease by 5300 meter square. In this figure, the length of this rectangular plot is given x and the breadth is y. So according to the question, x minus 50 into y plus 50 is equal to xy, which is the original area of this plot. Therefore, 50x minus 50y is equal to 2500. So after simplify, we can write here x minus y is equal to 50. So take this equation 1. X minus 10 into y minus 20 is equal to xy minus 5300. So after simplify, we get minus 20x minus 10y is equal to minus 5500, which can written as 2x plus y is equal to 550. So take this equation 2. The B option is correct. And the second, which of this following matrix equation represent the information given above? So we write here the equation x minus y is equal to 50 and 2x plus y is equal to 550, equation 1 and equation 2. So this equation can be expressed in terms of matrix. We can write the matrix of the coefficient of x, y. So matrix 1 minus 1, 2, 1, and the matrix of variables x, y is equal to the matrix of constant 50 and 550. So in the second, option A is correct. And in third, the value of x length of the rectangular field is, so solving the equation given in the matrix form, we have A is equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 1, and capital X is the matrix of variable x, y. B is the matrix of the constant 50 and 550. Therefore, this whole matrix can be written as, this whole equation can be written Ax is equal to B. Therefore, x is equal to A inverse B. So first we find the A inverse, multiply by B, we can find the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 2 matrix 1 1 minus 2 1 and into another matrix 50 550. So solving this, we get xy is equal to 1 upon 3 50 plus 550 minus 100 plus 550. After solving, we get x is equal to 200 and y is equal to 150. So in third, the correct option is C, and in fourth, the correct option is A. And in fifth, how much is the area of rectangular field? So the simply area is equal to length into breadth. So area is xy. Therefore, 200 into 150, that is equal to 30,000 square meter. Therefore, in the fifth, the correct option is B. In question number 2, two farmers Ramkishan and Hari Prasad cultivated 3 varieties of rice, namely Basmati, Parmal and Naura. The sale in rupees of these 3 varieties rice by both the farmer in the month of September and the October are given by the following matrices A and B. In the September, the sale of rice is given by the matrix A, and in October, the sale of rice is given by the matrix B. Based on this above information, answer this following. In the first part, the combined sale of the September and the October for each farmer in each variety is. So in this first part, we combine these two matrices, so we find A plus B. Therefore, we write the matrix A and plus matrix B. So the correct option is C. In the second part, the decrease in sales from September to October is. So to find the decrease of the sale from September to October, we subtract matrix B from A. So we write here A minus B. So after simplify, we get So the correct option is B. In third part, if the farmer Hari Prasad received 2% profit on gross sales, then the total profit obtained in the October is. So the profit for each farmer is equal to 2% of matrix B, that is equal to 0.02 into matrix B, that is equal to 100, 200, 120, 400, 200 and 200. Therefore, the profit for the Hari Prasad in the month of October is 400, 200 and 200, which is equal to 400 plus 200 plus 200, that is equal to 800. Means in the October Hari Prasad received profit. So the correct option is A. In fourth part, if Ram Kishan received 2% profit on gross sale, then the total profit obtained in the month of October is. So from the third part, we write the profit of Ram Kishan in the month of October is 100, 200 and 120 in the sale of Basmati, Parmal and Naura. So the total profit in the month of October is 100 plus 200 plus 120, so is equal to 420. So the correct option is D. In fifth part, what is the difference in the total profit earned by both farmer in the month of September? If both the farmer received 2% profit on the gross sales, since the profit for each farmer is equal to 2% of A, which is equal to 0.02 into A, that is equal to 200, 400 and 600, 1000, 600 and 200. So the first row represents the profit of Ram Kishan and the second row represents the profit of Hari Prasad. In September, the total profit for Ram Kishan is equal to, in September the total profit for Ram Kishan and Hari Prasad is rupees 1200 and 1800. In September the profit for Ram Kishan is 200 plus 400 plus 600, that is equal to 1200, and for Hari Prasad the profit is 1000 plus 600 plus 200, that is equal to 1800. Therefore, the difference of profit in these two farmers is 1800 minus 1200, that is equal to 600. So the correct option is C.